This video demonstrates transfer in under invoice. Transfer in and out transfer stock from one branch to another. The sending branch generates a transfer out for the receiving branch. The entry is displayed in the yellow background until the receiving branch has posted it. Until posting, the sending branch can make changes to it. The receiving branch will see the entry in its transfer in. However, receiving branch must be selected to view the entry. Receiving branch cannot edit the entries. It can only tally with physical stock received and post the entry. In case of any mismatch between physical stock received in transfer and entry, the receiving branch will notify the sending branch and the sending branch will fix the issue by editing it. Entry once posted by receiving branch is locked for both. To post the entry in transfer in, select the branch from the drop-down list from the top. Click on View Entry on the left-hand side of the entry. Click Post. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.